morning students, class 4th. Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Very good. Fit and healthy, staying healthy at your homes with your parents, enjoying also. Okay. Now welcome back to the classes, the online classes. And in this class of English 1, today we are going to start with the first chapter, the very first chapter of the book. Chapter number 1, as you can see, it's written here, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Little Oli. Okay, what is the name? The name of the chapter is Little Oli. This chapter is about a penguin family. In that penguin family, penguin chick is there, and the story is totally based on that chick. That how was the chick, what happened with the chick in the last. So when you will read this story, when you will get to know the story, then it will be very interesting for you. Okay. So now today we are going to start with the story of a little penguin whose name was Oli. O-L-L-I-E, Oli. Okay. So now I am reading and I will be explaining the story. So be ready for that. Penguins are among the world's most easily recognized birds. Unfortunately, these charming birds, excellent swimmers, and doting parents are endangered. Read the story to find out what happens when little Oli, a penguin chick, gets caught in an oil spill. So, as I told you, the story is about a little chick, penguin. So, penguins, these are the world's most easily recognized birds. Easily recognized means known. जिनको जानते हैं, recognize करते हैं, known, जिनको हम जानते हैं, ठीक है? But unfortunately, these charming birds, charming means very beautiful, attractive, those who are attractive in looking, ठीक है? Excellent swimmers, they are very excellent, they are very good swimmers, swimming करते हैं, ठीक है? And doting parents, doting means very caring, जो केयर करते हैं, जैसे our parents they take care of us, okay? In the same way, the penguins' parents, the penguins' family, they also take care of the baby chicks very much. Are endangered. Endangered, as you can see, it's written here, unprotected means the species, the animals which are unprotected, which are not safe now. Day by day, the number of these type of animals are getting less. धीरे धीरे करके उनका नंबर जो होता जा रहा है वो कम होता जा रहा है. They are endangered. So those type of species are known as endangered. Okay, it's written here endangered. Endangered means unprotected. Read the story to find that what happens when Oli gets stuck in oil spill. जब वो एक तेल के पानी में, तेल में, ऑयल में फैला हुआ होता है, स्प्रेड होता है. स्पिल मीन्स स्प्रेड, where it lives, जहाँ पे वो रहता है, पानी में वो रहता है, तो वहाँ पे अंदर ऑयल होता है सारा. वो कैसे उसमें फंस जाता है, कैसे उसकी बॉडी डर्टी हो जाती है, how it gets dirty and how it tries to come out, rescue and resolve the solution, the problem and finds the solution with the help of his parents. तो कैसे वो अपने आप को सेव करता है. Little Oli, a young penguin, lived with his parents on the icy continent of Antarctica at the South Pole. When he was born, Oli's body was covered with downy fluff. His parents kept him warm and fed him food with their beaks. When Oli was about 7 weeks old, his parents put him in a crèche of penguin chicks. Now, little Oli, a young penguin, lived with his parents on the icy continent of Antarctica. Icy continent, ठंड के इलाके में रहते हैं. These penguins are also known as flightless birds. ये एक ऐसी चिड़िया है. Penguin belongs to the category of birds, but it is known as a flightless bird. ये ऐसी चिड़िया है जो उड़ नहीं सकती है. It has feathers, but it cannot fly. Why? Because the body, the weight of the body, they are too heavy. So that is why they cannot fly. ठीक है, feathers भी उनके heavy होते हैं, उनकी body भी heavy होती है, इसलिए वो उड़ नहीं सकते हैं. Where do they live? In the Antarctica, South Pole. When he was born, Oli's body was covered with downy fluff. और जब वो पैदा हुआ था, उसकी जो body थी, it was totally covered with सॉफ्ट हेयर, डाउनी फ्लफ का मतलब होता है सॉफ्ट हेयर, फर होता है, लाइक वी हैव आवर टेडी बियर्स, वी हैव आवर टॉयज, वो फर के बने हुए होते हैं. इन द सेम वे वी हैव दैट ओली वाज आल्सो हैविंग डाउनी फ्लफ. ठीक है. kept his parents kept him warm, उसके पेरेंट्स उसको पूरा कंफर्ट देते थे, जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स, लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स, दे गिव अस एवरीथिंग एट होम्स, आउटसाइड हमारी देखभाल करते हैं, हमारा पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं. इन द सेम वे ओलीज पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो लुक्ड आफ्टर हिम. गिव हिम फूड विद द बीक्स, हमारे हैंड्स हैं, हम हाथों से खाते हैं, लेकिन जो बर्ड्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, दे ईट विद देयर माउथ. उनके पेरेंट्स उनको अपने माउथ से उनके माउथ में ट्रांसफर करते हैं. दे ट्रांसफर द फूड फ्रॉम देयर बीक्स टू देयर चिल्ड्रन बीक्स, चोंच से. ठीक है. व्हेन ओली वाज बोर्न अबाउट 7 weeks old, his parents put him in a crèche. crèche जानते हैं? crèche is a place where small children are kept. ठीक है. छोटे बच्चों को रखा जाता है, वहाँ पे उनकी देखभाल करी जाती है. इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ अ नर्सरी. इट्स अ प्लेस वेयर स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन आर केप्ट टू टेक केयर ऑफ. ठीक है. crèche, वहाँ पे उसको भेजा गया. Our little Oli will be safe and warm, huddling with other penguin chicks in the crèche. Yes, Oli will be happy there, hopping around and skating on the ice with other chicks. When Oli was 5 months old, the downy fluff on his body was replaced by several layers of scale-like feathers. जब Oli 5 months का था, when he was 5 months old, the downy fluff on his body was replaced by several layers of scale-like feathers. तो उसके जो पंख थे, उसका जो feather part था ऊपर का, वो सब क्या हो गया था? vanish हो गया. It started shedding, बाल झड़ने शुरू हो गए थे. and उसकी जगह पे what happened? several layers of scale-like feathers, और उसकी बॉडी पे many layers के feathers आने शुरू हो गए थे. बहुत मोटी एक लेयर बन गई थी, thick layer. Oli, you don't have to walk on your feet always. Today I will show you how to go tobogganing through the snow. Just lie on your belly and use your flippers to steer yourself. Oli, you don't have to walk, parents said, father said. अब walk करते हैं penguins, उनको walking सिखाई गई पहले, जैसे हम भी छोटे से बड़े होते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा, तो walking सीखते हैं, crawling सीखते हैं पहले, then walk, then other actions. So in the same way, उसको भी पेरेंट्स ने बोला कि टुडे आई विल शो यू हाउ टू गो टोबैगनिंग. टोबैगनिंग का मतलब होता है टू ट्रैवल डाउन ऑन द आइस और स्नो, आइस या स्नो के ऊपर स्लिप करना, टोबैगन करना. ठीक है. जस्ट लाई ऑन योर बेली. बेली क्या होता है? द आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टमक. स्टमक जानते हैं? पेट. स्टमक इज द इनसाइड पार्ट एंड बेली इज द आउटर पार्ट ऑफ योर स्टमक. तो पेंगुइन को बोला कि तुम लेट जाओ ऑन योर बेली एंड यूज योर फ्लिपर्स. फ्लिपर्स जो होते हैं उनके विंग्स होते हैं, हैंड्स, जो 2 हैंड्स होते हैं, फ्लिपर्स कहते हैं उनको. ठीक है. फ्लिपर्स आर फ्लैट फिंगरलेस लिम्ब दैट सी क्रिएचर्स यूज फॉर स्विमिंग. वो तैरने में हेल्प करते हैं उनकी. एंड लेट जाओ एंड यूज योर फ्लिपर्स टू स्टीयर योरसेल्फ. यूज योर फ्लिपर्स टू मूव योरसेल्फ. उसको वो सिखा रहे हैं. ठीक है. वी इट्स सो मच फन टू टोबैगन थ्रू द स्नो एंड आइस एंड इट्स सो मच फास्टर देन पैडलिंग. Oh, I love this. Wow, it's very good, very nice. Oli's parents were superb swimmers. They taught him how to fly underwater. Slowly, Oli learned how to swim, dive, and steer his body through the sea. Oli's parents were superb swimmers. Penguins are known as superb swimmers. They are very excellent in swimming. ठीक है. They taught Oli how to fly underwater. पानी के अंदर कैसे उड़ना है. वैसे तो birds ऊपर स्काई में उड़ते हैं, but these are the birds, they fly underwater. पानी के अंदर, नीचे. Slowly Oli learned how to swim. धीरे धीरे करके ओली को तैरना. Dive means to jump into the water from a height. ये जैसे पानी का लेवल है, this is the level height. तो नीचे जब कूदते हैं, that is known as dive. ठीक है. And steer his body through the sea. Steer means balance his body through the sea. पानी में जब वो जा रहा है, समुद्र में जब वो जा रहा है, तो अपनी बॉडी को कैसे बैलेंस करना है. Oli, follow me and dive deep into the freezing water. Freezing means ठंडा पानी. They live in cool areas. We'll catch delicious crabs, but be alert. There are leopard seals, sharks, killer whales around. Come, let's go. in the water and have something delicious crabs, tasty crabs, seafood जिसे कहते हैं. But his parents are alerting him, but be alert, be safe, keep yourself safe from leopard, seals, sharks and whales. बहुत बड़े animals हैं ये, इनसे बच के रहना. Papa, I really like to leap in and out of the water when I am swimming. It's so much fun. I'll jump out of danger if any enemy follows me. I know how to protect myself. I'll jump out and keep myself safe from the enemy if anybody follows me.